To accept Ethereum on your Shopify store is actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the Shopify login page and you want to log into your Shopify account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you are signed in, you want to go ahead and choose one of your Shopify stores, and in this case I'm going to use my example store. So once you're on the back end of your Shopify store, all we need to do now is click on the settings icon in the bottom left hand corner, and then from here you just want to click on the payments tab on the left hand side menu. Now your payments tab may look something like this, where you need to go ahead and set up Shopify payments. So to do this you want to click on complete account setup, and all you need to do now is set up the Shopify payments form, where you need to go ahead and enter in business details and personal details along with your banking information at the very bottom. Once you've done this, you want to click on complete account setup. So once your Shopify payments has been set up, it will look something like this. So to add Ethereum as a payment method, all we need to do is scroll down slightly to where it says additional payment methods, and you want to click on add payment methods. From here you can either search via the payment method or you can search by payment method provider. In this case, we're just going to search the payment method, which is Ethereum, and then you want to click on the Ethereum option, and here it's going to give you a list of Ethereum payment providers. So you just want to select one of these payment providers that's best for you, and the most common one is the Coinbase Commerce. Once you're ready, you want to click on the activate link just to the right of it, and then you want to follow the step-by-step process to activate the cryptocurrency Ethereum to your Shopify store. And that is how you accept Ethereum to your Shopify store. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.